Besides, once again, it's code sensitive, and in this tutorial we will be going over more of this touch event, and it is our Android game development tutorial 12, which is awesome. We're getting farther, and we're going to do more of this switch event. We want to make another case, so case motion event dot. Now we want to do action. We can do any of these. There's a couple, but we can do action cancel. Now there's not much of a use for this, to tell you the truth, but it is a method. I mean, it doesn't always happen, but in the rare case it does, you do want to be able to like know it's happening. It's kind of like doing, it's kind of the same as like cancel, just like, I don't really know, it's really weird, but we can just do the same thing we did over here and say cancel that. Oops, we had to make this in our talking brackets. So all we want to do is cancel. Remember, this is going to make it so it goes in the catalog, which is always nice. You usually want our stuff to go in the catalog. It's amazing. And now we're going to make our action up and action move. Now, you can probably just guess from the names. The action up is when you bring your finger up. So, dot action up. So this is if we have to actually lift our finger up from the screen. Just want to break this off and do another builder and append this. And we're gonna do this same kind of word thing for everything, because we just need to know which way they're going. And our last case, which is our motion event dot action move. Now this is a little different from all the other ones. These are all moving up and down your finger. This one is actually moving it. And it's going to be really hard to actually, it's going to be a little hard, not that hard, but if you're on an emulator, you have a mouse, so it's not going to be hard. But if you're actually using your finger on your phone, it's going to be a little hard to get this down for very long, because your finger almost always moves. And if it moves the slightest bit, it's going to trigger this action move. And just put a semicolon on this break. So now we have 4 cases of our switch statement. And we can just do more builder. This is going to be where we use our builder a lot. So we want to, append is going to be the main thing we use. And this is not going to, we're just not going to write move or something. We're going to actually get the X value. Then, so this is going to be the X value of where we put down our finger. You want to do it again, except this time we just want to put a comma and show our Y value. You should know this already, but your X and Y value is like your width of your screen. So if I move down, this is my Y value, up and down. Vertical is Y. And horizontal, so right to left, side to side, whatever you want to call it, is my Y value. And we use it like here. We start right here and go down wherever, so we can get any point on the screen if you think about it. So that's kind of what's up with the X and Y. If you didn't already know, you should know, but just wanted to remind you. So let's make a string text and just equal it to a event toString. Yeah. So you want to make a text variable and set it to event.toString. You want to get from the log class, you want to do .d, not debug, d. And these tests are kind of similar to each other, but over here we did the .d key test, and that's just how they're gonna kind of be. So, because they're just tests, we're just changing them a little bit. So, like before, we can type down touch and our text variable. Now we just want to set our text view to wait, what was that name? Oh yeah, with the capital V. Sorry guys. Our text view, set the text to our text variable that we made just right now. Now this is about done. So all we have left now is to save it. We'll have no error. If it has a red mark here, then that means you did something wrong. Look over this tutorial and try to fix it. And we can just go up here and run our application. And while this is loading, we can, I want to talk about, the only way I'm going to make another tutorial is if I get 3 or 5 likes. 3 or 5 likes. So guys, if I don't get 3 or 5 likes, then I will not make the next tutorial. Just want to make sure, I don't know. So guys, please like this video if you want me to do more. So yeah, we can go on this and go. Now that we have this, it's a little laggy, but you know, too bad. Now we're on. Welcome to our Beast game input tests. Oops. Wait, we haven't made our thing. So we can just minimize this and go to our awesome application. Go to, I don't know, we can actually set this in the next tutorial. Set it all up, and then we might do a different test. I don't know. But see you guys. Hope you like this video because I want to make another one. But it's all up to you guys. Please subscribe, comment, rate, like this video. Bye. See if I delete these. So we can do this all in capitalize. So that you can change this button however you want.